Hello and welcome everyone to the walk around video here at your next car, the 2018 330e M Sport Saloon. Car is presented in mineral grey and features the Y&T body enhancement kit alongside some nice features and options from BMW. As with all of our cars, it is physically in stock and is ready to be driven away. If you would like to know more, you're welcome to use the links that are of course available in the description box, but let's get into talking about the car itself. We've added the brand new 405M style alloy wheels with 4 brand new tyres alongside the front splitter and matching kidney grills, side sill extensions, side vinyls and Y&T and performance decals, aero mirror caps, rear spoiler and rear diffuser. The car benefits from the rear privacy glass. We will of course come on to talk about the eDrive capabilities of the car and of course show you through the interior. It has got front and rear parking sensors, good sized boot as well as folding rear seats. I have displayed out here for you the supplied charging cable. This makes things really nice and simple. And to the fact it does come with a household 3-pin socket, so of course that makes accessibility easy and simplified. Charge time, if you were to use that household 3-pin socket from an everyday plug, will take around about 3 to 4 hours if the batteries are completely flat. Now that will vary on how and where and when you are charging the car obviously. However, fast chargers are becoming quite a bit more regularly available for use now, and they are relatively inexpensive to have installed at the home. Coral red Dakota leather. The interior is no different from a petrol or diesel model in terms of the layout and space. As I mentioned, having the folding seat option there is just going to give you that bit more space back from the loss of the boot depth. But again, a very comfortable, very refined place to be. Up front, again, this will all feel very familiar and similar if you've driven a petrol or diesel model, one of these 3 series. What appears to be a fuel filler cap on the front wing pops open to reveal a charging port. Plug the car in and you can leave it to its own devices. It'll take care of itself. It really is as simple as, say, charging a mobile phone. Electric range. BMW give you a range of around about 27 to 30 miles of pure electric range, and again that will vary on driving style, driving conditions and a few other varying factors, but hitting those targets should be fairly easy. If we go ahead and start the car, that is now started. So again, it is a real nice luxury to be able to drive around in pretty much utter silence. It's covered just over 54,000. Has got the business nav and media, telephone and audio via Bluetooth, DAB and USB line-in. We should just check the service status, as of course, being a hybrid, there is still a petrol engine up front, which is super handy because once the electric energy has run out, it will switch seamlessly over to that. It isn't due a service for 20,000 miles. We've just serviced this one in-house, so it is freshly serviced, all ready to go. There are, of course, selectable eDrive modes. So you've got Auto, Max and Save. Auto is fairly self-explanatory. Max is, of course, running on pure electric drive, and Save is of course going to store and save the stored battery energy for a later time that perhaps suits the road conditions for a better time. If you'd like to know more about this 330e M Sport, go ahead and use the links that are available in the description box. For now though, thank you, take care, bye bye.